doing? It has been a crazy time. COVID has got me looking like a monster, okay? This was for you guys today. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing great. Staying safe. This video is gonna be on my recent subscription to BoxyCharm. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, girl, let me tell you about it. So it's a US company, and what they do is they pretty much give you like 5 to 6 products, like full-size products, for the base price of $25 US. Okay? Okay? That's amazing. That's amazing. Like, nobody wants to be spending full dollars on an item when you could just do BoxyCharm and get 6 full-size products for like 30 Canadian dollars. That's bomb. Tell me that's not amazing, because I think it's pretty amazing. I think BoxyCharm is actually great for people that want to try different brands and products at a good price. Everything that's in the box is actually chosen at random, so that's the only downfall if you're very picky about certain brands and products. You might not like it, but honestly I feel like there's always something in a box for everybody. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I got inside my December box, because I signed up for BoxyCharm pretty late in December, so they just gave me my BoxyCharm box for December, and it's been through some struggles. So I already, broke the seal on the box, so it looks like this. Ooh, look at those goodies. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, all right, let's see. So you have like this little card. It tells you all of the prices of each product that's inside this box. Okay, and there's a heck of a lot of good things in here. Okay, so the first product in here is the sponge by the Makeup Eraser, and I have never tried these sponges before. Excited. All right, so it comes with this guy. I guess what you're supposed to do with this is just plop it in there, twist it up, and like throw it in a washing machine, and it washes it for you. Yep, that's what it does. This retails for $18. So $18. Moving on to the second product. It is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, a kombucha glow moisturizer. Okay, that's pretty sick. All right, so there's kombucha in here, ginger, and prebiotics that brighten, nourish, and hydrate. Oh, that sounds so cool. I can't wait to try it. Yes, it's supposed to be 100% natural. Let me open it up and see what is inside, because so exciting. Okay, all right. So you have a bottle like this. See, let's try it on the skin and see how it looks. Sorry guys, don't mind my dehydrated hands, but oh, it's like really moisturizing. Wow, it does feel very hydrating on the hands. Okay, it's really smooth. It's not like sticky or tacky or anything like that. And it smells nice. It smells really nice. Okay, all the fragrance is natural. It's like a natural fragrance. Usually I'm not for like putting so much fragrance on my skin and my face, but it smells really good. Yeah, my hand does look, ooh, can you see that? It's like glowing, it's hydrated, and it's gorgeous. Okay, so the Elemis primer, this one, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm probably butchering the name, but it's totally fine, okay? This one here actually retails for $49. Okay, BoxyCharm is just doing us a good thing, okay? It's saving $1. Okay, let's move on to the next product. All right, it's getting hot here. Is it not? It's hot. Hair out of my jacket. All right, so the second product is the Luster Lipstick from MAC in the color Plumful. It's a really nice plum color. It is a luster, so it's gonna go on a little bit more glossy rather than super matte and super pigmented. Super cute. I have seen this lip color several times, so I'm not going to swatch it on my hands, but the MAC website does have the colors if you want to see this one. It's cute. MAC lipstick retails for $19. Okay, so this next product in the box, I have actually been dying to try, and I've seen it everywhere. I'm happy that I got it in this BoxyCharm, honestly. So It is the Glamnetic Baby Girl Lashes. So they have like 6 magnetic pieces on here, and they actually give you the glue too. On the website they sell them individually, and I think it's just a heck of a lot for some lashes, but it's awesome because it's reusable, and I'm just so ecstatic that they put it in this box. I sound like such a cheapskate, but like honestly this quarantine has got me, you know, aware of my spendings and my savings and stuff like that. So that's why I'm like, you girl likes yourself a good deal, okay? These guys are regularly retailed for $63. $63, okay? I can't wait to try that. And then the last thing in the box is this. I don't want to butcher the name, so I'm just not gonna say it, but it looks like this. It's super cute, red, sleek packaging. I'm just gonna say it, okay? I'm gonna try saying it. It's Caliente. Caliente. I need to go out. It's been a long time. We've been trapped. I've been trapped in this lockdown. Look how cute this is. Can you just, ooh, look at those colors. I'm in love. Can you just see that? Look at that. That is super pigmented. I'm so excited to try these out. Should I swatch them for you guys? Maybe I should. Okay, let's swatch them with my fingers. And I'm gonna use this little area that I put primer on to show you how they look like. Okay, let's try this orange. Let's try that orange there. That really bright matte orange. It feels like chalky, but it looks pretty pigmented. Just, ooh. It is pigmented. It does feel a little chalky, but the color payoff looks nice. I'm not disappointed. Okay, that's cute. Let's try this yellow because the yellow is the brightest color in there, and it's just like sticking out. It's sticking out like a sore thumb. So, see. That's cute. Love it. Okay, so I need to go in with this deeper brown shade because it looks like a really nice shade to use as like something in your crease. Okay, let's see. Ooh! Oh! Wow, those are really pigmented. They're really pretty actually. Okay, alright, Boxy Charm. Doing me good. I'm excited. But yeah, this one is regularly $30. Super pretty. Like the colors are really pigmented. That is gorgeous. It does feel a little chalky, but you know what? The color payoff is really nice. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet, so I can't give you like my 100% honest review on it. But it is super gorgeous, and it has like a magnet that closes the packaging. So that concludes my Boxy Charm for December last year, because I got it in January. But honestly, get yourself on this Boxy Charm subscription because it's a really good deal for the amount of products you're getting. Okay, so like $30 Canadian, and the box is probably around like $150-ish. So get yourself on that Boxy Charm. It's like Christmas every month. Who doesn't like that? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxy Charm unboxing, and stay tuned for my January Boxy Charm unboxing. Anyways, stay safe guys. I miss you guys, and I'll see you soon.